Hello fellow YouTubers, it's been a while. I just wanted to come on and share with you my new book that I made. It was a kit that I bought down at Crafty Scrapper in Waxahachie, and a gal named Angela Medina is the one that designed it. So I wanted to show you on the front. I just cut out the blue bonnets with my Cricut and then punched out the flowers and you know, worked them and put them on here. And then this is the piece that I put paper on, and there's that, blue bonnets. My mom came last year to visit, so filling it with all the pictures. My brother came with her. So here's a picture after I picked her up at the airport. And then that. Then this one I just kind of collaged all the pictures in there of our visit when we went to the nursery. This is my brother when he was here about 5 years ago, and this is when he was here last year. And there's Cowboy Boots. They have material on them. This is when we went to a restaurant called Yesterday's in Fort Worth. A little sandwich we had and a little note that I wrote about our adventure. And of course, you know, cactus in Texas. My brother likes to take a lot of pictures, so I added that. I took pictures of boots and put that there. This is my brother. He's just being silly trying on hats. This is a windmill that's part of the chipboard kit. And then here's my brother and I. We took my mom on the Trinity River excursion, rode the train. This is her here. It's a large tag. Another picture of my mom here. And then went to the Stockyards, which is where the train station's at. And here's another tag. I don't know if you saw the Longhorn. There's a tag. Then this one has the silhouette cowboy. And there's my mom with the cowboys, which I thought was really cute. And then there's this one that I took the cowboys, and I put Texas on the star. And there's some pictures that my brother had taken when we stopped and found this old train station. My mom helped clean up after we had turkey dinner, and then there's some journaling in here about her visit at my house. And then these are more pictures that my brother took at the train station and the Stockyards. I just put them in there. And then this is the last thing we did. We went the night before they took off for home. We went to Augie's on the lake. Some more journaling tags. And then the sunset at Augie's on the back. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.